Dicky birds. Say, two little Dicky birds set up on the fire.